Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to highlight duplicates here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Highlighting duplicates in Smartsheet is a straightforward process, but first, once you are logged into your account, open the sheet where you want to find and highlight the duplicates. In my case, I'm going to be clicking this file. Okay, so if you haven't already, for example, I'm going to add another column on the left. Okay, I'm going to type in duplicate, and I'm just going to put in maybe an entry like a text and number. Okay. Let me rename that column for you. Let's say these are going to be duplicates. Okay. Now, in my case, I'm going to put in, say, maybe a deep. And then laughs here. I don't know. Maybe let's just make a random stuff here. Okay, so that's that. Maybe something like this. Now, for us to be able to have the duplicates here in this specific column, now one method to know how many duplicates you have is you need to create a formula here. Just follow this formula. That's going to be equals and then count if. All right, and the range and criterion. All right, so that's going to be the name of the column is primary column. And select the first row. So it's going to be that. Okay, so there's going to be, it seems like an error. I'm going to rename the column for now. This one, maybe, let's say smart for now, or DL, or deep lab. Okay, going to and then I'm going to put an at for the row. And this is going to be the row, right? You see, I have two duplicates, and that's going to be this one and this one. All right. For us to be able to know more of the duplicates, control this formula and apply it here by copying this one. And of course, you have to drag it all the way down. You see, I have three deep duplicates. Laughs is going to be 3, 5 for the how to highlight duplicates in Smartsheet. Laughs is 3 and deep laughs is number 2. All right. Now to highlight all these, okay, we're going to use a thing called conditional formatting. Right? We can format cells or rows based on rules. You need to click on that, and we're going to add a new rule. Just wait for it. Now, when you click on the add a new rule, we need to click on the set condition. After that, and we're referring, of course, to the duplicates. Click that, and you don't have to worry about these numbers, 2, 3, 5. All you have to do is click on select all, all right? But if you want to define custom criteria, you can do that as well. But for now, we're going to stick into the duplicates. And we're going to select all these, all right? After that, selecting all, we need to click on the define custom criteria, wherein on the contains, we're going to select greater than, all right? And we're going to put the value of 1. And what will happen is that gonna be magical later. Click on OK, and then the format is gonna be click on that. I'm gonna highlight that. For example, I'm gonna be choosing a different background, and that's gonna be orange. You see, you see that what happens. So basically, when you create the conditional formatting using the formula that we have created earlier, we would be able to highlight the duplicates in Smartsheet. Of course, you can customize that using a bold. You see that the changes is real time. All right, so maybe italize. I don't know. You can use the underline if you want. You can strike through if you wanted. You can also change the color from that to different colors that you wanted. All right. The taskbar here, you can also change the color from that to this. All right. So you would have to be able to have more control on that. Once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click on OK. All right. Now you see, there's gonna be an option here that says, is it gonna be for entire row? All right. Is it gonna be for DL only, which is gonna be standing for deep laughs? Checkbox to hide rows, assign to duplicates, and a lot more. So if you wanted, that's gonna be for the entire of DL only. You see that? Because if you wanted to highlight all of these, manual data entry often leads to errors, all right? So, to avoid accidentally entering the same value multiple times, highlighting this specific section here helps catch these mistakes early, allowing you to correct them before they affect your project. I find it very useful when working with duplicates or large data sets because it could lead to double counting of transaction expenses or revenues. Highlighting these duplicates ensures that calculations are accurate and that no data is counted more than once. All right, because duplicates can compromise the integrity of the data set. By highlighting duplicates, you can maintain a clean, well-structured dataset that's easier to manage and analyze. And of course, you can click on that. And if you're not happy with it, you might want to delete the duplicate numbers here if you wanted. But of course, if you want to go to the conditional formatting, you can again apply this to the entire row, maybe to maybe this one only, and to the DL, right? So you see that it's been highlighted as well. Now, if multiple members are, part of the organization and accidentally assign the same task or resource, it can lead to misunderstandings and delays. So highlighting these duplicates ensures that each person or team is assigned only once to specific tasks or roles, right? Now, you see, doing this can make your data very clean and well organized, making it easier to manage projects, tasks, and resources efficiently here in Smartsheet. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.